Allow me to introduce myself.
So, subscribe and press the notification icon.
Hey guys, Shabas back with another video. So this video is after a long time. So this video we are going to talk about how you can earn some money from internet. So this is the simple way that I seen in the internet to earn some money. So go to the link under my description firstly, then you will get a website like this. So what you want to do is click on the three dot line menu on the right corner. Now you have plenty of options, but I consider you to sign up to this website. Click on the sign up button. Now fill a username, email, password, re-enter the password, then click agreed the terms and conditions, then click on the register button to make your account. So this method, I said you, this method is the easiest method you can earn some money from internet. So what you want to do is you want to share some links to anyone. You can use any social media to share this, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere else. You can share it anywhere. You can add it to your YouTube channel links and websites, blogs, anyway. You can use anywhere that you can. So you can see a wallpaper on my screen. I browse it from the internet and I can see that a link here. I mean the website link is here. Now just copy the website link and come back to the dashboard of the website. Now at the top you have a box here and your URL here. Now paste your URL here. Now click on shorten. Now you get a new URL in this stage. Now copy that URL. Now share it anywhere as you can. If you reach $1, you can withdraw your cash using PayPal, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Dash, bank transfer and more. If you are Indian, I will consider this website. This is the best website you can earn money from internet. So that's it for this video, and if you are new here, consider subscribing. Make sure you click on the notification icon, comment down below if you have any suggestions or doubts. So that's it for this quick video. See you in my next video and have a nice day.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also click on the notification icon. Have a nice day.